There is an important update that has come as far as the conduct of the semester 1 board examinations is concerned. Remember, this petition was filed by students against the CBSE and the ICSE Council, and this is going to be heard on Thursday, the 18th of November. A few developments have taken place in the last 24 hours. Point number 1, the petitioners are pointing out that how, according to the CBSE bylaws, the board is supposed to conduct one external examination at the end of the academic year for classes 10 and 12. So now the question that is being asked is, why are you deviating from it by holding two board examinations? They say that this circular announcing the examinations is against the bylaws and point out that in these times of COVID uncertainty, you should not and cannot assess 35 lakh plus students, both CBSE and ICSE students, twice a year, right? So that's one important, and my limited legal knowledge tells me this is quite a strong argument to make in court. Point number 2, one student from Tamil Nadu has actually impleaded himself in the case, in the sense that he has said that he should also be heard in this particular matter. His point of view is that in view of the flood situation in Tamil Nadu, the ISC examination, which is supposed to start from the 22nd of November, should be postponed. So he may also get a chance to present his point of view in the court on Thursday. How that impacts the case, one cannot quite say. The petitioners have also attached a Google form in which about 8,000 odd students have demanded a hybrid model of board examinations. And this is apart from the 1 lakh people who have signed on the change.org petition against the conduct of these online examinations. Last point, an intervention petition has been filed on behalf of 6 more students, right, by the same lawyer, Mr. Sumant Nukula, to lend more weight to the original petition. Initially, as I have told you in the previous videos, 6 students from different states had filed this petition. So that's the update as far as the Supreme Court case is concerned. Stay tuned to Study with Sudhir for only facts, no opinion. Thank you very much for watching.